the one, the only, Beitzah.
Good morning and welcome to YouTube, Iyun and Iyun. Today we finished Masechet Beitzah and we started the beginning of Masechet Rosh Hashanah, Perek Aleph, Mishnah Aleph. I want to discuss this first Mishnah over here in Masechet Rosh Hashanah. The Mishnah says, Arba Rosh Hashanah, and there's four different types of Rosh Hashanah vis-a-vis halacha in the Jewish year. The first one is Rosh Chodesh Nisan, which is considered Rosh Hashanah L'Malachim, which means when you're counting the reign of Jewish kings, if they started their reign before Rosh Chodesh Nisan, that's already a year once Rosh Chodesh Nisan comes. However, when it comes to non-Jewish kings, that's where the Mishnah continues. It says Lashanim, and Mefarshim explain Lashanim is counting the reign of a non-Jewish king or non-Jewish government. That goes from Rosh Chodesh Tishrei. Now the question is the Gemara gives a source for both of these reasons, but the underlying reason, why is it that Rosh Hashanah, our colloquial Rosh Hashanah, right? What do we call the Jewish calendar Rosh Hashanah is Rosh Chodesh Tishrei, right? Shouldn't we call it really, if Jewish kings, are counted by Rosh Chodesh Nisan, really, maybe we should be, calling that Rosh Hashanah, or why isn't it that that Jewish kings also go by Rosh Chodesh Tishrei? So the answer, I think, is like this, is that Rosh Chodesh Nisan is the beginning of the month of Nisan. What happens during Nisan? Pesach, Yetzias Mitzrayim. When Klal Yisrael went out of Mitzrayim, right, the point of Yetzias Mitzrayim was freedom, right? The ultimate freedom. Pesach is the ultimate goal of Judaism, is chayros from slavery and go to Eretz Yisrael and enjoy the land of Eretz Yisrael, in the special land of Eretz Askalah Mudvash, special land. Sukkot is a little different. Sukkot happens to be remembering what happened in the Midbar, right? The Midbar they didn't arrive in Eretz Yisrael. It was difficult to be in the Midbar for certain reasons, and they had to build sukkahs over there. They had miraculous anonim which protected them in the Midbar. However, that sort of was in the Midbar. It was not in Eretz Yisrael. It wasn't yet going to happen. They stayed 40 years in the Midbar. So, therefore, it's reminiscent of Gullus. That's really what it is. It's reminiscent of the Jewish life in Gullus. And that's why when you count the reign of a non-Jewish king or a non-Jewish government, that's Rosh Chodesh Tishrei, because that's the main holiday of Tishrei is Sukkot. Nisan, which is Pesach, which is Mitzrayim, which represents, obviously, Yetzias Mitzrayim was to come right away to Eretz Yisrael. It didn't work out that way. That's the ultimate chayros, and that's really what we want to remind ourselves when we count the reign of Jewish kings. Hope you enjoyed today's year. See you in the next one.